But like at the end of the day, you look around, you're like, this is awesome. This is beautiful. The people you get to meet, the experiences you get to have.
What made me fall in love with it is just, the access to outdoors. To think about that, we don't have to be in the classroom all the time. I get both the lab work that I want and the field work that I think is a very fun combination. It's a beautiful environment, to be down here in Southern West Virginia and to go to all these places. This beautiful scenery, look at these rocks with someone who is a literal expert on the topic and learn. It's a great experience.
With geology, with the implied environmental geoscience, there's so many different titles that you can get into.
The scope of what you can do, especially with something as broad as geosciences, like what we're doing out here today. There's a lot of technician work that you can go do, but there's all the way up to like being a state geologist. At the very end of your career, there's very prestigious government roles that you can go do.
As a geoscience major, oftentimes you're doing field work. And when you go out to the field and collect a sample, most times you're getting a GPS point for that sample. And you can use those GPS points or where those samples are located to address certain questions. So if you're collecting rocks, say, sampling rocks across a landscape, and you have GPS points for each of those rocks, you can use those GPS points and maybe any laboratory analysis of those points to make a relationship between where they're located on the landscape and the laboratory results. The fact that you can use GIS for any location-based question is super powerful. And there are a multitude of tools that can be used across any question you might ask. Really, if you could put a point on Earth and associate data with it, GIS can help you analyze those data.
We talk about it being a vacation all the time.
Yeah, it is like a vacation.